Hello YouTube, this your girl Barbara. Welcome to Naturals with Diva Style. Today I'm gonna do a quick video showing you guys how I take care of my daughter's hair. So far I just washed it with Johnson & Johnson No More Tangles, the curly hair product. And right now I got the Garnier Fructis Wonder Waves. That's the one. I got that one sitting in her hair right now. And as you guys can see, it uses a lot of conditioner. So right now I'm just sitting here detangling it. That's it, just detangling. It's hard to detangle it without the conditioner. I don't ever detangle her hair unless it's conditioned or something like that. That's why I detangle. Sometimes I detangle it and then I put it in big braids. And then that's when I, what you may call it. Like, first I detangle the end. And then, once the ends are detangled, see that? Then I go up and through it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish detangling it, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and just show you guys how I'm going to also post some pictures, and I'm going to show you guys. Today I'm blow drying it. I don't always blow dry it. On a regular day, usually I would just finish detangling it and then put it in these three big braids like that. And then after that, I would just, Gianna, turn around. After that, I would just braid it and leave it in for it to dry a little bit. And sometimes I do her hair the same day, sometimes I do it the second day. But if I'm not going to do it the same day, usually I just grease it up, like put some hair food in it. I use the Lusty's hair food. Sometimes I use Dax, but I'm out of Dax right now, so I'm using the Lusty's hair food. They do the same thing. It's like a paste. It's a pomade, so it's just like a paste, and it makes her hair kind of soft. As y'all can see, she has a lot of frizziness. So I am in the market for a good hair lotion also. I'm not sure if I should use pink oil hair lotion in her hair, but I'm in the market for a good hair lotion. So if you guys know of any good hair lotions, let me know. So this is the way her hair is right now. It's curled right now. But Gianna, hush. If it wasn't curled, she's mad because the water's gone. Alright, I'll turn the water on in a minute. So this is the way it looks right now. Let me just detangle it, and I'll be back to show you guys the rest. I'm back. This is her hair blown out. Turn around, Pookie girl. This is the way it looks blown out. I have to gather everything together so I can show you. She won't turn her hair straight around. This is the way it looks. It reaches to the middle of her back. It's not straightened, it's just blown out. So basically it could be straightened some more, because as you guys can see, this is the before effect. This is the way her hair looks before it's blown out. It's like really tight curls, really tight curls, and they're like frizzy as crap. Even when it's blown out, it's still frizzy, as y'all can see. But this is her hair when it's actually wet. This is her hair at the wet stage. You're welcome, pretty girl. And this is her hair. What did you do? Gianna, turn around. She don't want me to blow dry. She don't like to get her hair blow dry. But I only do it like once in a blue moon. And this is it. And this is the end. In its dry state. And I haven't put anything in it yet. No pomade, nothing like that. I don't have no hair lotion, but I'm going to put some hair food in it. But see, it reaches to the middle of her back. She's sitting down right now. And this is where it reaches. And her waist is like right here. I wish she was waist length by now. Well, I don't know. I think it's good that she's not waist length yet. She's still young, and as she get older, I think she's always going to be mid-back length. I don't think her hair going to get any longer. But this is a perfect length for her. And I'm not, like, I don't really care about my hair being long, but when it comes to my daughter's hair, I always wanted my daughter to have long hair. So ever since she's been a baby, I've been taking care of her hair. so it could grow. She never had no bald spots. It just grew. So this is it, girls. This is her hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish drying the rest. Maybe when I'm done braiding it, I'll show you guys the braided effect. Oh wait, girls. Okay, so this is her hair blowing out. I'm gonna take some pictures and show you guys how it looks with a ponytail and all of that. It's not straightened or anything. It's just blown out. But as y'all can see, it's pretty long when it's blown out. So it's really, really, really thick too. Okay, girls. So I'll post some pictures up and show you guys. Today was her hair wash day. Say bye, Gigi. Gigi, look at the camera. Gigi. Cookie.
Mommy.
Look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye, girls.